Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time here at Smith School in Tenafly, New Jersey. It was a beautiful day. I got to speak to all the grades today, all the students and staff, grades K through 5. And the main focus was on the theme of bullying, but more importantly, looking at one's heart first, just like you would see your own best friend, right? To treat people the way that you want to be treated. And it took place here in the gymnasium, and it's really nice because they have so many different banners all around the gym talking about how they need to stomp out bullying and to treat people the way that you want to be treated. You know, the golden rule, all about respect, all about kindness, all about compassion. And so I really tried to hammer that home today with the focus and the sub-theme of looking at someone's heart first, because our heart as big as our fist, right? If we let peace fully enter into here, and kindness and love, we can turn that into this peace sign. And the reason that it's two is because one finger is yourself and the other is someone that you're trying to lift up higher than yourself. If you choose to do that by our actions, by our words, making sure that they're all positive in nature. And so what was so great is that these students, really start to understand that no matter what kind of day we're having, no matter what we've been through or are currently going through, any current pain in our heart or anything that might be causing us to not show that love, that we can still choose love. Right? That we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. That was another key point that I tried to hammer home and reinforce throughout the message today. And we shared so many stories and examples of different youth that have gotten teased and put down for whatever reason, whether they were born different, if they walked different or talked different, or were handicapped or not, or just whatever the reason might be. And people chose to not really get to know them at their heart level, not really see their worth or value. They chose to just put them down. But in the end, they still chose greatness and they still chose kindness despite all of that. And that also comes into knowing not only that we believe ourselves that we're true miracles, the M on all of our hands. I traced mine here. The lines in each of our hands, we have the letter M. This M stands for miracle, right? Just like the shirt says here, M for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, that we need to not only remind ourselves of that truth, but then once we believe that, now we go out and we see it in others around us, right? We know that we can be the light to their heart, especially if they might have forgotten that they are miracles and that they are beautiful people. And that's our job as human beings, is to make sure that everyone around us feels that they're also loved and safe and celebrated, and that they feel that they're human too. So again, just an amazing opportunity today to get to speak to these youth. I'm always inspired because you saw the head nods, you saw that they were all in for peace and for love and for kindness, and that's what this world needs. And that's how we start to heal this world's heart, heal this nation's heart, is just one heart at a time and one school at a time. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date to videos like this. Hit the notification bell too, so you get updated with future videos that'll be airing soon on my YouTube channel. You can also check out the website, mrpeace.org, to find out more information on my journey across this nation, and also check the playlist above for some other amazing clips. Again, thanks for letting me share my heart with you. Much love. Peace.